unang-una, you're such a blessing to all the people around you. You remind me of humility. You remind me of sacrifices in spite of some people who beat you at the back. And then walang tinapay, walang masamang tinapay sa'yo. And then, not only that, you touch people's lives a lot. And then, I think, this is a destiny for you na maging beauty queen maker. You're not just a pride of all your friends. You're not just a pride of the beauty queen, but you're also a pride of this country. Developing a lot and numerous beauty queens from Miss Earth, to Miss Universe, to Miss International. Iba yon. I think God have assigned you to be there. And then, ikaw yung beauty queen maker na walang taray factor.
May mga nakukuha akong magandang trabaho, marami akong nai-meet na tao. Dahil kay Tito Roger, kasi binibigyan niya rin ako ng work. Sila nag-i-endorse sa akin, sa ibang tao, para bigyan ako ng trabaho, tinutulungan nila ako sa lahat ng bagay. So, sila yung parents ko dito. Siguro isa sa mga pinakamalaking bagay na naitulong ni Tito Roger is yung mapanalo nila ako sa Binibining Pilipinas. Kasi sobrang yung effort talaga nila. Sobrang full support sila sa lahat ng bagay. Na alam ko kung wala naman talaga si Tito Roger sa likod ko at yung buong team ng KF, hindi naman din talaga ako mapupunta kung saan ako ngayon.
Malaki yung pagbabago na nabigay ni Tito Roger sa buhay ko. I think, sa palagi ko, without him, walang matutupad dun sa mga dreams ko. Lalo na yun sa pangarap ko na maging really Philippines Universe. Without Kuya Roger, wala siguro hindi Carpalagtas.
Well, as a KF member, one thing I learned is not to be an arrogant and be a down-to-earth person, so people will always admire you.
Grabe yung impact. Yung impact mo sa akin, Roger. I used to be bakla na maldita, mataray, mayabang. But you're like somehow a turning point of my life. Because when I've met you, you're not vocal about it, but you taught me how to stay humble, no matter how achievements I've got in my life.
You've heard this many times, but this is really from the deepest part of my heart. I want to say thank you very much, because you gave me the life that I have right now. Were it not for your persuasion, were it not for your persistence, I really would not be where I am.
Thank you, Tito Roger, sa lahat. Sana hindi ka magbago. Sana lahat ng tao na lumalapit sa'yo, ganun ka, tulungan mo pa rin. Kasi imagine, kung pinipili mo lang yung mga tao na gusto mong tulungan, siguro wala ako ngayon, siguro wala Janice and Lulino. So, thank you kasi yung puso. Napaka-selfless mo. Parang inuuna mo pa rin yung ibang tao kahit na pagod ka na, kahit wala kang tulog, andyan ka pa rin. Inuuna mo pa rin sila, ina-accommodate mo pa rin kami. So, thank you.
Kung wala si Tito Rog, wala rin yung KF. I mean, he brought together an entire team. I wouldn't call it a team. I would call it a family. Because everything he did was out of passion. There are no words that can explain how I feel for Tito Rog. How grateful I am, how thankful I am for all that he has done for me.
You treat me like a daughter, and I treat you like not just like a father or a mother, but someone who made my life the way it is right now, and that's such a big role because you made it this way. At the same time, I also want to say sorry that despite the fact that you have a huge role in my life, I'm not able to really be there in all the times that I could be there. And I hope that you understand, because life is so fast. I now have 3 kids, but we all love you. At the end of the day, no matter where I am, whether I'm with you, I'm at the camp training the girls, I'm with you, hanging out with you, or I'm not, you always will have that very special part in my heart And in Reuben's heart, Reuben tells me many, many times na without Tito Rogel, hindi ganito yung buhay ko. Even Reuben knows that.
Pinaka-last message ko that I've learned from my friends like you, okay, na dapat masabi ko na ngayon. You know that George and I was really best friends for a longest time. When he was dying, that's the only time I told George that, alam mo naman, George, hindi tayo bakya and we're not corny. But you know kung gaano kita kamahal. And alam mo yan, Rogel, kahit ngayon patay na si George Bongga pang pangalan, buhay na buhay. That's how I value it and that's how I value also. At bago mangyari ang lahat, kung ako man mauna, kailangan ko nang sabihin sa'yo na I really love you, Rogel.